tougher, faster, more advanced. The Hitachi Rotary Hammer Series. Best in class, faster drilling speed. Powerful motors and optimized hammering achieve up to 30% faster drilling speed. Increased durability through a high durability hammering mechanism. Approximately 2 times longer life achieved through a reliable structure that includes the same hammering mechanism as Hitachi's large hammers. Best in class low vibration. Equipped with UVP, Hitachi's proprietary user vibration protection system. The UVP system reduces vibrations by moving a weight in the opposite direction to the movement of the hammer. Reduction of vibration by approximately 33% achieved. The UVP-equipped models can be used for approximately 90 minutes before reaching the exposure limit value for vibration in a single day. Provides high performance for a wide range of professional tasks. Delivers 3.4 joules of impact energy. Three types of 3-mode models and 3 types of 2-mode models are available. Approximately 2 times more durable. Best-in-class drilling speed and low vibration. The Hitachi Rotary Hammer Series.